Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this smart fingerprint door lock that I got sent out for review. This is everything that it includes in the box. Of course, it comes with the 2 physical keys and also the 2 fobs that will help you to open this door lock as well. Okay, so this is the digital door lock, the smart one, and this is the part that goes on the inside. Okay, so let's just go ahead and install it. This is everything that is included in the box, and what I like as well is that it includes the pattern, so you can actually install it this way easier. This is the actual lock that you will be using first to install. As you can see, there's like a arrow that is indicating that goes to the upper side, and you need to install the screws right here, and we are doing it with this screwdriver, which is electronic and makes it even easier. And once that it's secure, we are going to pass this part on the outside part of the door, and just make sure that the cable and the other part are going through the lock. Okay, now we are going to connect it with both things with the inside part like so. And once you have this part, you have to add the screws right here in the door. Okay, but before doing that, you have to unscrew this part right here that goes on the inside, so you can actually see this part has to be like tightened a little bit up before you can actually install this. Okay, so once you have this part, you have to put again this part on the inside and make sure that it matches, and then you will be adding the screws. Okay, this way you will be able to install them and secure both the outside and the inside parts. Once that you have these actually very tightened and fixed, you will be installing this cable on this part of the lock, which is the inside part. You have to put it really well, install it, and make sure that it makes click. And now you have to make sure that you put the other metal part inside of the right side. Okay, so once you have done this, you have to add some more screws. Okay, once that all the screws are done, this will make your lock actually work. Okay, so it is actually really easy to install. After this, it's just a matter of installing the batteries right here. It needs 4 AA batteries, and you just add the lid. As you can see, the lock is ready to be used the smart way. Okay, so you will be installing the app that comes in the manual of instructions and selecting the device that you are actually installing. Okay, here is the finger door lock. You will be setting it up. Here are the keys that you will be able to use, and it shows that it's closed or locked, and you will be opening it up as well from, you will be able to open and close the door as well from the app. That you can also have combination key that you can use to share with maybe your family, your relatives, whenever you are not home. And also you can, from the app, activate the other keys. Also in the app, it will tell you how much battery you have or not, and you can also change the name of the device if you want. So there's a lot of configurations that you can make through the app as well, which will make it easier to use. So here in the phone, you can see that I can open it, and it is now unlock. Now I close it, and automatically once that you close the door, it will closed and locked by itself, and you can open or close it as well. Now you have this hidden part right here where you can use the physical key, and also it has a keypad that you cannot see usually, but you can actually add the code, and you can change this code to the best of your liking. And right here we are setting up a new code, and once that you touch it, the keypad will appear and you can actually set up the new code, and these can help you to open the door as well. So you have like 4 ways to open the door. You have physical key, you can open it through the card, you can also open it through your fingerprint, and you can also open it through the keypad. So there are a lot of ways. Also, you have these fobs that you can use to just by passing it through it. Okay, so this is a card. You just put it right here, it will read it, and you need also to set up these cards before being able to use them. So here is already set up, and it is recognizing it as a key. So it is really easy to install, as you could see, and really practical. Lots of ways that you can open it, but of course keeping it safe. The app will also let you know when the door is open or closed.